Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. So, welcome back to the class. Yes. So, as you know, this is your uh, e-learning class, no? Science class. So, I'll be starting the science class now. Okay. Before starting the science class, let me tell you that I will wish you everyone a happy new year. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. So we'll get ready with your science book. Okay, science book and your science notebook means science copy. In our previous class, we are doing the exercise. We are solving the exercise. Actually, we have almost solved the question answer part. We are solving the exercise of chapter number 7, green plants. So yes, okay. In our previous class, we have done up to the short answer question. We have completed the short answer questions. No, we have completed up to 7. Means we have completed all the short answer questions. Now, today I will be starting the long answer questions, and I will request everyone to write the question as well as the answer. So, let me write. This is your long answer question. If page number, I have written the page number on the board. This is your page number 43 in your science book. So, long answer question. Okay, we are doing long answer question. So, question number 1. What is the question number 1? How will you show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis? How will you show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis? Remember, this is a big, it will be a big answer because you have to tell the all the activity that you have to perform for this answer. For this experiment, you have to tell all the thing, all the experiment, all the activity. This answer is given on page number 40. You can see from there also. I will also repeat on the right on the board. You can see from there. Okay. So today only we will do question number 1 from long answer question. Okay. So let me write the question. How will you show? How will you show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis? How will you show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis? Okay. Okay. So let me write the answer. You can see the answer on page number 40 also. You write there, we can show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis by the following activity or experiment. Okay. By the following activity or experiment. Okay. Number A, point wise we'll write the answer. Number A, take a plant with variegated leaves, with variegated, that is partly green and partly white. Take a plant with variegated, that is partly green and partly white leaves. Okay. Keep it in sunlight. Keep it in sunlight. Keep it in sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. Pluck a leaf. Pluck a leaf from this plant. From this plant. Okay. Next, you will write. Next point, number B. Draw the outline of the leaf. Draw the outline of the leaf on a white sheet of paper. Sheet of paper, marking its green and non-green, its green and non-green areas very distinctly. Okay. Next point you will write boil. Point number C, boil the. Now you have to perform the starch test. So first of all you have to bleach it. So how can you do it? Boil the leaf at first. Boil the leaf at first in water and then in alcohol. Okay, boil the leaf first in water, then in alcohol. Boil the leaf at first in water and then in alcohol. Then point number D, wash the leaf in cold water after boiling it. Wash the leaf in cold water after boiling it. Now you will write, now put comma, now pour a few drops of iodine solution now pour a few drops of iodine solution on the leaf on the leaf. Okay. Now next point you will write. Next point you will write. Okay. The white part of the leaf does not the white part of the leaf does not become blue black while the green part becomes. Okay, the white part of the leaf does not become blue black while the green part becomes. What does it become? It becomes blue black. No need of writing blue black. So I have written the white part of leaf does not become blue black while the green part becomes. So it is completed now. Then at last you will write this shows that chlorophyll is necessary for yes, photosynthesis. Very good. Okay. Okay, this is completed. Okay, so I'll repeat. Today only we have done this one. Okay, because this is a very long answer, so we will do only number 1 only. Okay, only we will do number 1. Next day we will continue with the number 2. Okay, sir. So before proceeding further, let me tell you that I will repeat what I have written here. How will you show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis? We can show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis by the following activity or experiment. So what is the experiment? You can see this on page number 40 also in your science textbook. Okay. So number A, how can you do this activity? Take a plant with variegated means partly green and partly white leaves. Keep it in sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. Then pluck a leaf from this plant. Okay. Next, number B point, draw the outline of the leaf on a white sheet of paper, marking its green and non-green areas very distinctly. Okay, full stop there. Now, number C, boil the leaf at first in water and then in alcohol. Actually, you are doing after taking the leaf, you are actually performing the start stage. Before performing the start stage, you have to first boil it. Means you have to bleach the leaf, no? So how can you do the bleaching? Bleaching means, see, first boil in water, then boil in alcohol, then it will bleached. Okay, so what happened? Boil the leaf at first in water and then in alcohol. This is point number C. Point number D, wash the leaf in cold water after boiling it. So after boiling completed, after in water, then in alcohol, after boiling in alcohol, you have to wash the leaf in cold water. Okay, Now you have to pour a few drops of iodine solution on the leaf. So you will have to take iodine solution, you have to pour the iodine solution on the leaf after washing in cold water. Remember, after washing in cold water. Okay, the white part, next point, the white part of the leaf does not become blue black while the green part becomes blue black. That means the white part you are putting iodine solution starts. How can you perform starts? Iodine solution means if you giving, it will be changing to bluish black. No. So the white part of the leaf does not become blue black while the green part becomes blue black. This shows that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay. So okay, we have done only one today. Okay, next class we will be doing the other question, means only one question is left from this chapter. We will do that one. Okay. Okay, before ending it, so I will request everyone that you will learn this question answer and you will also do the project. No, I have given you the project. Project is from page number 44. You know, project I have given from page number 40, page number 44 in your science book. You can see the page number 44 in your science book. There is activity or project written, that one. Okay, what you have to do? Yes. Okay, very good. What you have to do? You have dried the leaves. Project is very easy. You have to collect 7 different leaves of 7 different plants. Then you have to dry the leaves. How can you dry it? You have to first keep the leaves, plug the leaves of 7 different leaves, 7 different plants, then put it inside the old newspaper. Then after 4 or 5 days, you will take it out from there, and after that you will paste the leaves. Okay, paste the leaves in your scrapbook. If you don't have scrapbook, you can do it in the channel file. In one page, one leaf, and you will write the name of the leaf, what you have pasted. Okay. Yes, yes, that one I have given. Yes.
Only
Okay, okay, maybe. Okay. You can, if you have space there, you can paste it. If there is a space, no space is there, so you will leave that one. You use one page for one leaf. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. So okay, students. Okay, students. I wish everyone very good afternoon and thank you for the class. Okay. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Okay, you will see this video in the YouTube channel. You can see from there and write from there also. Okay. Thank you, everyone.